In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the system clock in the machine. Now this is very important because there are other ways to manually set the system clock and date for specific PLUs or products, but this is very important because a lot of settings, both in the software and in your PLU data, will run off this system clock.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
And while you're in mode 5, you go Configuration, Device Configuration, Set System Clock. Your system clock is right here. Now you can set your time or your date, and you can manually do it, or you can just punch it in. And then click on your date. You can punch that in too. And that's all there is to it. Just remember, before you do anything in this machine, you have to make sure that that system clock is accurate, because there is a lot of other things in this machine that reference that time and date.